Right now, at this very moment, ordinary people just like you are making thousands of dollars from the cryptocurrency market thanks to one little-known secret. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that the Bitcoin boom has taken the world by storm. Ordinary people are becoming millionaires almost overnight. That's because when you're in the business of crypto, making thousands of dollars daily is perfectly normal. In fact, you can make up to $20,000 in a single week with this secret. Just take a look at the profits I've been making on the crypto exchanges, all adding up to an average daily profit of $3,125.66. Trading professionals have perfected the skill of making thousands of dollar trades, which unfortunately makes easy targets of Bitcoin beginners. But losing money is not something you have to worry about. That's because with top secret crypto trading software that I have for you today, you can make up to thousands of dollars instantly. In fact, this software is so powerful that you can make up to $3,000 today. And let me be very clear. It doesn't matter if you've never made a Bitcoin trade in your life. It doesn't matter if you know nothing whatsoever about Bitcoin. And it doesn't matter if you have just $5 in your bank account. That's because my software takes care of everything for you. The crypto coin sniper is so powerful that you can make up to $1 million in less than a year. Here's the proof. And anyone can use the software with ease. There's nothing for you to learn and you'll be completely set up in under 20 minutes. Making money with this tool is as easy as tying your shoelaces, but I'll explain exactly how it works in just a moment. I'll even show you a live demo of the software in action. But right now, what I need for you to do is to picture what your life could be like when money is no longer a problem. When you're able to make up to thousands of dollars each day with this powerful crypto trading software, there'll be no reason for you to go to work. Forget waking up early and then sitting in rush hour traffic. Forget wasting your whole day at the office, only to be physically and mentally drained by the time you get home. Forget taking orders from someone else and living your life in a 2-day weekend. From today, everything changes for you. Since making my millions from the cryptocurrency market, I've traveled to 4 continents, bought a beachfront house in Miami, and I have 3 sports cars parked out front. I sleep in every day. I eat out every night, and the really crazy part is I work less than 10 minutes each day. And very soon, you too could have the money to live the life of your dreams. With Crypto Coin Sniper, you could make up to $3,000 daily, all from just a few minutes of work. That's because the software does everything for you. All you have to do is place the trade it tells you to make and collect your profits. And because everything is done online, you can make money from just about anywhere. All you need is an internet connection, and you're good to go. Make money on the train, at the office, or from your 5-star hotel in the Maldives.
I heard about Bitcoin on the news, but I had no idea where to start. Then my brother lost $600 when he tried trading by himself, so that really put me off. But when I discovered Crypto Coin Sniper, everything changed. Day one, I made $1,803 from Bitcoin trades and $1,320 from Ethereum trades. I'm not sure how exactly this all works, but I'm very happy with the results.
I didn't think I could make money from Bitcoin, as I only had $23 to my name, but Crypto Coin Sniper turned my $23 into almost $1,000 in just 1 week. I didn't know it was possible for someone like me to make so much money, but the software just takes care of everything. I spend just a few minutes getting set up each morning, and the money just comes in on autopilot.
Crypto Coin Sniper is unbelievable. $300 profit, $600 profit, $900 profit, it never slows down. I'm making thousands every single day. I discovered the software 3 months ago, and in that time, I've made more than $250,000. Thank God the pro traders don't know about this. I'm absolutely rinsing them.
It takes less than 20 minutes to set up Crypto Coin Sniper, and absolutely no trading experience is required. And you too could have your first $3,000 day with as little as a $50 investment. The money-making power of this software is unparalleled. Now, I'm sure you must be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true, and I don't blame you. I understand that you've been here before. I know you've been promised the world by systems and online schemes, only to be left disappointed time and time again. I know how you feel because not too long ago, I was where you are now, trying just about anything to make a decent income online. I had my hopes dashed more times than I can count, and nothing worked for me before I discovered Crypto Coin Sniper. By the way, I'm Paul Scott, and I'm originally from Philadelphia. After graduating college at the somewhat late age of 29, I moved to New York City with dreams of becoming a successful journalist. Unfortunately for me, making a success of myself in the Big Apple proved to be much more difficult than I had anticipated. As it turns out, breaking into the news and media industries with no experience and no inside contacts is near enough impossible. I faced rejection after rejection. Doors weren't slammed in my face because they were never even opened for me to begin with. Just speaking to someone about the possibility of an unpaid internship was an impossible dream. And so with rent to pay and an ex-wife and 4-year-old daughter back in Philly to support, I took on any work I could find. By day, I worked as a copywriter, producing dull, repetitive articles for 1 cent per word. In the evenings, I worked flipping burgers at Wendy's. And any spare moment I had in between, I spent trying to make some extra money. At first, I tried blogging and vlogging, but generating ad revenue just seemed like a distant dream. Then I explored the idea of affiliate marketing, but I just didn't have the audience. And then I tried filling out online surveys, which at least made me some money. So there I sat, hour after hour, day after day, ticking boxes in my 200-square-foot apartment for vouchers and sometimes a few bucks. Between the copywriting, the online surveys, and working at the burger joint, I made just enough to get by. But I was working every waking moment of the day, and I was absolutely exhausted. Something had to change. I needed a way out, but my situation felt completely hopeless. Then one day, I saw a writing job advertised on Craigslist. Rather than paying the standard 1 cent per word, this client was paying 50 cents per word to write about something called Bitcoin. That meant that rather than earning my usual $10 for a standard 1,000-word article, I'd earn $500. And there was mention of repeat work. I was determined to get this job. For the rest of the day, I researched Bitcoin and learned everything that I possibly could. I discovered that Bitcoin is a decentralized online currency that works on something called the blockchain, allowing people to send and receive money without involving a bank. Honestly, I was very intrigued. That afternoon, I applied for the job, professing to be a successful writer with a keen interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I hit send, crossed my fingers, and then headed out to flip burgers once again. For 2 weeks, I didn't hear anything. I swallowed my disappointment and went back to writing garbage for 1 or 2 cents per word. Then, the email arrived. I got the job. I was thrilled. It was on a trial basis, but the client, Gerald Watson, commissioned me to write 1 Bitcoin article each week for his finance publication. I couldn't have been happier, and I was determined to do the best job that I possibly could. I put all other writing work and online surveys aside to focus all of my attention on learning what I could about Bitcoin and produce articles of the highest quality. Week after week, I submitted articles, and a day or so later, $500 would appear in my PayPal account. Things were finally looking up. Then, after 7 weeks of writing, I received another email from Gerald. He wrote that he was in town and he'd like to meet me face-to-face to discuss my future at his company. Instantly, I was worried. Losing this job would devastate me. But I had to think positively, assume that my job was safe, put on my best shirt and pants, and go out to meet Gerald for lunch. Within minutes, my fears were put to rest. Gerald loved my work. He said he'd never before seen someone so informed and so passionate about cryptocurrency. Supposedly, my articles were a breath of fresh air. Then we got to talking about my current situation, my 2 jobs and my beautiful daughter. I showed him a photo of Bella. He showed me a photo of his 2 strapping sons. And it was there and then that he decided to share his secret software with me. Gerald knew I was a hard worker and a loving father, and so he decided to share with me the trading software that almost nobody else at his publication knew about, the Crypto Coin Sniper. He explained to me that this software could be used to generate thousands of dollars daily, completely on autopilot. Then he opened up his laptop and showed me just how much money the software was capable of making. $325.87 Ripple trade, $458.23 Bitcoin trade, $103.90 Ethereum trade, $239.44 Litecoin trade. I couldn't believe it. Profits were filling up his account without him doing anything at all. Then he gave me a USB drive containing my very own copy of Crypto Coin Sniper, and he told me to go home and try it out for myself. Within less than 20 minutes of walking through my front door, I set up the software and made my first $345.78 trade. By the end of that day, I made more than $3,000 with Crypto Coin Sniper. This tool has completely transformed my life, and very soon it could transform yours too. You've heard the news stories about people making hundreds, thousands, and even millions of dollars from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Recently, rap star 50 Cent accidentally made $7 million from crypto, simply because he accepted payment in Bitcoin for album sales in 2014. He made millions by doing nothing at all, and making huge sums of money isn't just for the rich and the famous, nor is it just for stockbrokers and bankers. Ordinary people just like you are now making millions thanks to this digital currency revolution. You don't need a master's degree in finance. You don't need a fancy office in a big corporate building. And you don't even need to have any trading experience whatsoever. All you need is a connection to the internet, a copy of Cryptocurrency Sniper, and you could make up to $3,000 today. Crypto Coin Sniper comes with an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Everything you need is there for you in black and white, and every question you have will be answered in that guide. In less than 20 minutes, you'll be fully set up and making the trades that the Crypto Coin Sniper tells you to make. Trading with Crypto Coin Sniper is a completely hands-free way to make money. The software's complex algorithm calculates the most advantageous trades and then tells you which coins to trade and when. Then you can make money every single time. Take a look at this. So here it is, Crypto Coin Sniper in action. Now you can see the list of trades that the sniper has been telling us to make. And here is the newest trade information right now. These figures, these are the digits that you will simply copy and paste into your trading account. So really, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Log into your account, be sent the trade information, copy the trade. And we even mail you the trade information to save you having to log in. And if this makes no sense to you at the moment, then don't worry, because with our simple setup guide, you will not only be ready to go, but you will understand exactly what's happening within just 20 minutes from now. It really is that easy. Even when starting with a tiny $5 investment, you can make substantial returns. Because Gerald has given me permission to share Crypto Coin Sniper with a select few lucky people to give them the same chance that I had to escape poverty and enjoy a dream lifestyle. So I suppose you're wondering what the going rate is for a copy of crypto trading software with such huge money-making potential. I know that I could ask for $3,000, and that would be very reasonable. You'd make that back in one day. But I'm not asking you for $3,000. And I could ask you for $500, and that would be an absolute bargain. You'd make that back in a single trade. But I'm not asking you for $500. In fact, I'm giving you your very own copy of Crypto Coin Sniper and the accompanying step-by-step guide and my one-to-one support for just $37. That's all. I'm sure you're shocked that you can access such powerful software. Software capable of generating up to $3,000 every single day for just $37. But it's the truth. You will never see an offer like this again for the rest of your life. As soon as you download Crypto Coin Sniper, you can see huge profits immediately. We are currently experiencing the biggest financial revolution of our generation. And if you don't act quickly, you will miss out. You should view your purchase of Crypto Coin Sniper not as buying something, but as an investment in your financial future. Ask yourself this: where do I want to be in 10 years' time? If the answer to that question is staying in the same dead-end job, struggling with debt, and repeating the same monotonous day time and time again, year after year, then this software is not for you. If, however, you can see yourself achieving your dreams, living in a big house, driving a nice car, and taking 6 vacations each year, then you need Crypto Coin Sniper. This software could change your life forever. And if you're at all unsure about investing in Crypto Coin Sniper, don't worry, as right now I'm giving you full access to the software with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. This means you can try Crypto Coin Sniper for 2 months, and if you're not completely happy, I'll give you all of your money back. No questions asked. How does that sound? You've got nothing to lose. Either you make up to $3,000 every single day, or I give you your money back. This is a risk-free opportunity. But if you want to make up to $100,000 this month, then you need to move quickly. The time to act is now if you want to make as much money as possible from the cryptocurrency revolution. Your neighbors are making money with Bitcoin. Your boss is making money with Bitcoin, and you can make up to 50 times what they're making when you have Crypto Coin Sniper. But you have to do it right now. Due to the top secret nature of this software and the limited copies available, I will be taking this website down very soon. It could be gone in 2 days, or it could be gone in 10 minutes. I can't say for sure. But if you want to get your hands on Crypto Coin Sniper and make up to millions of dollars this year, then fill in your details right now. You will never again be given another opportunity to make so much money so quickly and so easily. This is your one and only chance to become a Bitcoin millionaire. It takes less than 20 minutes to set up Crypto Coin Sniper, and you could make money with as little as a $5 investment. And I'll be on hand every step of the way to answer any questions you might have. For years, bankers and pro traders have been making millions with ease, while you've been working tirelessly for next to no money. Now is the time for you to take your slice of that trillion-dollar pie, with the help of Crypto Coin Sniper. Very soon, everything you've ever wanted can be well within your grasp. Forget bills and working overtime. From today, you can be earning thousands from just a few minutes' work each day. Do the smart thing and fill in your details to secure your copy of Crypto Coin Sniper. Remember, this is a completely risk-free offer. Act now, or you could miss your chance to become obscenely wealthy. Fill in your details now to change your life forever. I look forward to welcoming you on board.